Regards, Chief.
Hello, my name is Andrew Chalfant. Today I will be sharing with you how Team 14 was able to use the design process to create a final concept for the dock and roll. The dock and roll is a derivative product that combines the stability and comfort of a laptop stand with the utility of a docking station. The dock and roll will be used to hold the laptop in a comfortable working position while an external hub connects multiple devices to the computer. This stand would focus on having a sturdy foundation to support multiple types of computers, as well as having a central hub that connects up to 4 external devices at once and connects to the computer through a single wire, making your docking easier and faster. This stand will also contain an automatic lift system to adjust the angle of the computer to the user's desired angle. The dock and roll will be primarily marketed towards undergraduate college students to help them stay organized and maximize work. The dock could also be marketed to graduate students and anyone else that uses a laptop frequently. Typical user of this product would most likely be an undergraduate student who spends most of their time doing schoolwork in their dorm room or apartment. They are willing to invest in the products that increase their productivity and work experience, so they can participate in extracurricular activities. The expected use of this product would have the customer with papers on their desk in front of them and their laptop behind the papers. If a customer were to use their laptop, they would disrupt the papers on the desk or be put into an awkward working position. To solve this, the user can place their laptop onto the dock and roll and easily access their keyboard without disrupting the papers in front of them, as well as to gain a better sight line of the laptop screen. Through different techniques explained in the previous videos, such as interviews and surveys, Team 14 identified multiple customer needs and were able to turn them into design specifications. The main specifications identified were angle adjustment before failure, angle adjustment before slippage, the highest grade the dock can sit on, and the number of ports available. These were key elements during concept generation. To begin brainstorming, the team broke down the large problem into 4 sub-functions: adjustable platform, signal relay, laptop security, and wire position. As you can see, each sub-function was created to match with a design specification to ensure that one or multiple customer needs were met. After breaking the main problem into sub-functions, the 635 method was implemented to define preliminary concepts and to use key points as sub-functions. Because Team 14 only has 3 members, the method had to be altered to a 3-2-1 method. Excuse me. After examining all different concept generation, each sub-function was then revisited to see how many solutions were created per sub-function. In addition to looking for these sub-functions in the preliminary concepts, a mind map was created to further our investigation into possible solutions. This mind map helped the group break down each sub-function into smaller ideas to see how each one of the preliminary concepts could be satisfied. From there, at least 3 solutions to each individual sub-function were created. The team created 6 new concepts from the mind mapping exercise. Each solution represented in a colored line that connects all of the main parts together in each design. After that, Team 14 used gallery-style peer review to gain new ideas and critiques about sub-functions and solutions. Many ideas were very helpful deciding which path to follow for our final concept, as well as offering new input to each solution. Some of the best feedback that the team plans to incorporate into the final design is the mesh platform. This idea was chosen because it allows for better heat distribution than placing the laptop on either a desk or a metal plate. This will reduce the chance of laptop overheating and remove the need for an external fan. Our original sketches, there is a ledge at the bottom of the platform that is meant to be around 1 inch tall. Another peer suggested to lower that ledge to allow for user comfort. Although this was discussed, the team decided to reduce it to about 1/4 of an inch instead of removing the edge completely. Finally, another peer review suggested that the laptop should be interchangeable to fit different types of computers. Although this was discussed thoroughly, the team opted for a single upper platform that could fit multiple laptops that was purely based off of cost. The team believes that the consumer would rather purchase a complete laptop stand than multiple pieces of a stand. To find the best solution for the stand, the team created a decision matrix to find the best solution for each criteria. The first round had criteria unranked and found the designs would fit customer needs. This eliminated 2 designs. However, certain aspects of these designs will be incorporated to the final sketch, such as a mesh back. The second matrix then weighted the criteria, with the core specifications being weighted the heaviest. After that, the other specifications were ranked as the second highest, and the lowest being the customer needs that were identified as lower priorities in the previous presentation. Each design was then reevaluated on a 1 to 5 scale, with 5 being the best and 1 being the worst. Each of the solutions performed well in this round. However, the Pi drive concept ultimately averaged the highest. The Drive Pi design contained a drivetrain for angle change, a Raspberry Pi for central hub, side clips to hold the wires, and a metal framework. After looking at the benefits of other designs, the final concept now contains a mesh upper section, a Raspberry Pi hub, drivetrain, and support clamps. The mesh upper section is to allow for better heat distribution. The Raspberry Pi is because of the number of ports that it has, as well as containing USB and HDMI style inputs for a monitor. Another feature incorporated into the final design is a metal framework to prevent the laptop from falling. We believe this is the best combination of solutions to fulfill design specifications and customer needs. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.